We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly here, we mentioned if you want to look for buy, we have to get a correction because we mentioned we can expect this one turn to similar to what we have here. As we can see, the price drop. Now we're looking at this one. That means the best things if the price can retest the previous low. Then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Now the question is whether this is the one is going to retest or we can expect the price drop, move a bit, continue a bit, and then from there to get one more drop. Okay, now how we can look for sell? Mostly technically, if we get the flag, we can look for the sell with the breakout of this. Then from there, we look for reversal. All right, but right now we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. The only times we can look for sell if we see the flag here in relative to this, but it's a short-term sell. And even if you want to look for buy, the best things is if the price can retest the previous low. But how about if the price continue from here? The only way is to have entry above this. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. This is what we can see. And the best things is right now we're looking at this flat. We want to see one more drop similar to what we have here. Okay. This is what we're looking for. That means right now we have to wait. We cannot look for any trade. And in case the price reverse from here for buy, either we look for the sharp move or flag. This is the difference of the other options in case the price continue from here. But as I mentioned, technically, what I prefer, I want to see the one more drop in the breakout of this low. Then from there, if I see the reversal, I will look for buy. If I move to daily chart, this is what we have been looking for, and we want to see whether we can give us any trade for buy or not. And if I move to forward chart, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, still be looking at this. Okay, and we don't have any trade set up right now as what we expected. The price drop, but we need to see the continuation with the retest this low. Then any trade from there we can look for buy. Can we consider this is a start of the up move? Okay, and this is a correction for one move up. In that case, the only way is to have entry above this. But as I mentioned, right now we have 1, 2, 3 internal correction as a flat in relative to this for one more drop. The best thing is if the price can retest the previous low, and if the price reverse from here, the only way to have entry above the top. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up, and we want to see whether this one can give us one more drop before we get the reversal or not. This is the best what we're looking for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.